Alright, I just received this batteries from Amazon, and the reason I want to purchase this one because this battery is so compact. Like I can just, hold it easily, like outdoor, without any weight. Felt like it's so light. But this thing gives me like USB ports 1, 2, 3 and type C, and you can charge it with the input AC, and there's a flashlight. Ooh, nice. So if you're outside, you're in tent, you can just do the flashlight. If you want to go to restaurants, right in the dark night, you can press these things and then flashlight. Here's AC plug too. If you have that kind of plug, like fans or any kind of ACs, laptops, to charge, this will do it. It's really compact. I mean, these things help me to charge all the stuff, especially my iPhone, using this cable. It's very easy, just plug in here, and the other side, you just put the iPhone plugged in, right? Plug in my iPhone here really quick. All right. So I'm gonna plug in my iPhone, and then you just turn on. All right. So it works very good. Awesome. Yeah, definitely would recommend you out there to buy these things. I mean, it's really compact. Look at it. In my palm, it's like, very small size. I'm compared with my iPhone right here. So this is the size, right? And this is gonna last me at least 2 days outdoor, okay? If I'm not like really heavy use the gears. But if I'm just gonna use like, cameras and phones, okay? Air pumps, all those small stuff, it's good enough for 2 days for sure. So if you go out with the weekend, this is the perfect things to bring with you. Okay, I hope you liked the review. All right.
This is just happening with my device. Rolls up to the third bar, and then after like maybe 5 minutes, it'll say full. And then once I take it off the charger, it remains free. Tried it overnight, and still